So one of the biggest thing I liked about working with Australian Cobotics Centre is the engagement with the industry partners, because there is always a gap between industry and research or academia. ACC helping us to collaborate with industry partners actually helped me a lot to develop my communication skills with the industry partners, and also to identify and learn how to approach an industry-related research project. I wanted to continue working in research and academia, but with the involvement with the industry. So I want to focus on two different categories of research. One is like short to medium researches, which we can collaborate with the industry partner so that we can work on like 1 or 2 years of a project and can be transformed into an industry implementation. And when it comes to the long-term projects, on technologies that are very currently new, that might take 5 to 10 years of time for the adaptation in industry. For example, humanoids. Humanoids are growing so fast now, but it might not be ready to work in industry now. So I wanted to work on those two projects parallelly so that we can satisfy the requirements of the industry, at the same time can come up with some research ideas that can be used in the future as well.